Tired of sky-high car insurance rates eating into your Canadian loonies? Let's fix that. This video is your ultimate guide to slashing your car insurance costs from coast to coast, covering everything from understanding provincial regulations to simple hacks that can save you serious money. Step 1. Become a comparison ninja. Websites that let you compare quotes from multiple insurance providers are your secret weapon. Think of them as your one-stop shop to scope out the playing field. Input your information once and bam, you've got a buffet of options. Next up, Provincial Regulations. Car insurance is a provincial matter, so what works in Ontario might not fly in Alberta or British Columbia. Understand your province's minimum coverage requirements and optional add-ins to avoid paying for what you don't need. Improve your driving record. This one's a no-brainer, but it's huge. Safe driving habits directly translate to lower premiums. Avoid speeding tickets, accidents, and any other dings on your record. Maximize your discounts. Are you a student, a senior? Do you have anti-theft devices or winter tires? Many insurers offer discounts for these things, so be sure to ask about everything you qualify for. You'd be surprised what sticks. Lastly, don't be afraid to negotiate. Insurance rates aren't set in stone. If you find a better quote elsewhere, let your current provider know. They might just match it to keep you as a customer. Remember, knowledge is power, and a little effort can save you a ton of cash on your car insurance. Happy driving, Canada.